Building a house is one of the biggest investments most people will ever make. Yet many homeowners lose thousands or even millions because of avoidable mistakes made before and during construction. In this video, we will look at the 5 costly house construction mistakes that can ruin your budget. Mistake number 1. Neglecting soil investigation. Many people go straight to excavation for building foundations without understanding the soil conditions. A soil investigation helps to determine the bearing capacity of the soil and identifies potential problems of the soil such as expansive clay, weak soil layers, and high groundwater levels. Without these informations, the foundation may be under-designed or over-designed. These can result to cracks, differential settlement, expensive repairs, or unnecessary construction costs. Always carry out a geotechnical investigation before foundation design begins. It is cheaper compared to overall cost of the building itself. Mistake number 2. Choosing the cheapest contractor. Everyone wants to save money, but selecting a contractor based solely on the lowest price today can become very expensive tomorrow. Some contractors submit unrealistically low quotations to win projects and later cut corners on workmanship and materials. Others may lack the experience needed to deliver quality work. Poor construction can lead to structural defects, delays, and costly reworks. Instead of focusing only on price, evaluate experience, references, quality of previous projects, and technical competence. Mistake number 3. Using substandard building materials. Low-quality materials may seem like a bargain at first, but they often result in higher long-term costs. Examples include poor quality cement, undersized reinforcement bars, low-grade blocks, inferior roofing materials, etc. These materials can reduce structural strength, shorten the lifespan of the building, and increase maintenance costs. Always source materials from reputable suppliers and verify compliance with relevant standards. Mistake number 4. Lack of proper supervision. Even the best design can fail if construction activities are not properly supervised. Some homeowners assume that once a contractor is hired, everything will automatically go according to plan. Unfortunately, mistakes can occur during excavation, reinforcement placement, concrete casting, blockwork, and roofing, etc. Without regular supervision by qualified professionals, errors may go unnoticed until they become expensive problems. Proper supervision ensures that construction follows approved drawings, specifications, and quality requirements. Mistake number 5. Frequent changes in designs during construction, such as changing room sizes, relocating walls, adding floors, or modifying structural elements after construction has started, can significantly increase costs. These changes often lead to material wastage, project delays, additional labor costs, structural redesign, expensive construction errors. Most construction problems don't happen by accident. They start with small decisions made at the inception of the project. Conducting a soil investigation, hiring qualified professionals, using quality materials, ensuring proper supervisions, and avoiding unnecessary design changes can save you substantial amounts of money and reduce construction risks. Which of these mistakes do you think is the most common? Let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more construction and civil engineering insights.